Here are 4 things to effectively communicate a model testing experiment in your notebook. 1. Describe your experiment design. Include your model, a description of your independent and dependent variables, and what you did to minimize the change in other variables. This should go under an experiment design heading in your notebook. 2. Report your raw data. Printed graphs, tables, and other calculations report what you measured. It is important for the reader to follow your work that you include all of your raw data. This data should go under an experiment data heading in your notebook. This should also include any deviations from your original experiment design or things you learned as you were running your experiments. 3. Report your analysis calculations. You should show the reader explicitly where you 3. Report your analysis calculations. You should show the reader explicitly where you get your curve fit parameters and why you perform manipulations on them. That means clearly communicating where you get each measurement and what uncertainty you are using for the measurements. This goes under the heading of experimental analysis. And finally, report your conclusions. You should have a qualitative and a quantitative analysis of the model test. Did the model predictions agree with the expected values? This goes under the heading Experiment Conclusions and should include a neat restatement of your key measurements and observations.